Put your hands over like this.
Oh, no, you biting me now!
Not in my bathroom! No! Oh, shit! Baby, I knew I could trust your ass. Oh, my God.
Oh, hey, get that shit out of here!
Wow, you let it go.
He bit me. That's why I don't fuck with birds, bro. Get that shit up out of here for real.
Why don't you get out of here and let it have a bathroom? Because how am I going to get it? The easiest thing is for you to change rooms.
Get the bird.
Come on, Zo.